All right, let's learn how to get started with Pinterest advertising. Step 1 is to create a business Pinterest profile. If you haven't done that yet, then go ahead and go through those steps. Once you've done it, you can go to your business hub, which is pinterest.com/business/hub, and just click create ad. Now we have to select a pin. If you don't have a pin that you want to use, you have to click create pin. All right, so as you can see, I've added my photo for the pin, which isn't actually big enough. It needs to be 1000 by 1500 pixels. I added a title, a description, and then I added my link. So as you can see in this scenario, I'm just advertising season tickets for the New York Giants. I'm just going to go ahead and select my Giants board and click publish. So here is a preview of our pin as an ad, and our destination URL is from that pin. However, we can change that if we would like. Our daily budget is $3. Our duration is $10. So that's a total budget of $30. Right here, it says potential monthly audience size is 90 million. That's broad, very broad. And that's because under targeting, we have expanded targeting selected. Automatically target your ads to people searching topics relevant to your ad. This is up to you. If you want to keep expanded targeting selected, by all means, go for it. However, I recommend deselecting. And we're going to start deselecting each of these one by one. First off, automatic interest. Deselect that. We know what we're looking for. So under sport, I'm going to select American football. And just like that, 90 million changed to 654,000 to 725,000 in our potential monthly audience size. But we can dive it in just a little bit more. So deselect all ages, and we're going to choose 25 to 34 and 35 to 44. That basically cut it in half, and we're going to deselect all genders and go male. Now, again, basically in half, 172,000. Each of these options are totally up to you. As you can see, I just selected more ages. If I want, I could even bring females back into the mix. I could choose more interests. It's totally up to you. If you want, go expanded targeting. It'll do all of that for you. But if you're spending money, you should take the time to learn what each of these are and try your best to target your demographic perfectly. Now with that done, we do need to set up our billing, and after that, we just hit promote, and that's literally it. That's how easy it is to get started with Pinterest advertising. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.